Hey guys, we've got, if I can actually grab it here, a Castle 250/25. I think I have tried this one once or twice before. I'm not sure, but since it is in this bucket, I have not been able to pick it. That's for sure. So let's see if we can do that today. That actually got stuck. Do we have something slightly bigger? Yeah, that might be too big. That's the same size. Maybe? Doesn't seem to get stuck, so we try that. Alright. See if we can get this. I can't remember with these small ones, but the bigger ones typically does have some spools in them. It's been a while since I've picked such a tiny little castle. It doesn't really give any feedback at all. It did get a little bit stuck. Maybe if we try... I guess that doesn't work. Is there room for us to work if we do this? Yeah, okay, then we try that. Try some heavier tension. Let's see if we can get it to open with that. Just reset them on purpose here to see if we can do it again here, because everything was stuck. Okay, complete reset. There we go. All right. I am actually a little unsure now. It felt like there was 4 pins, and skipping pin 1, slight push on 2, skip 3, and a nice little tap on pin 4 and it opened. But now I'm unsure if there actually is 4 pins in there. One, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there is 4. So I was right. Skip 1, slide tab on 2, skip 3, push 4 up and open. Nice. Oh, I was starting to be unsure if I would actually get that one. So that was nice. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.